Hi guys, I'm so excited to show you the DIY piñata that I'm going to make for my niece's 6th birthday. Her theme is Mermaid. So hopefully this will work. Excited to show you the finished product. I hope I will finish this by today or tomorrow. Okay, now here's my cutout, and I'm going to make another pair of this. This is just a used cardboard. I'm gonna trace this to make another one so that it'll be a pair for the front and back of the piñata. Okay, now so I have two of these for the front and back. Okay, so this time I'm cutting straws. This is from a balloon stick that's also been used and played with my kids, and I'm just gonna cut this so that I can put this in between the cardboard like so, to give it space so you can put your candies inside. So I'll put it on all four corners with using this plastic sticks that I cut. Okay, so here you go. I'm putting some glue with the glue gun. I used my glue gun so that I can attach these plastic sticks on the corners, so I can make like that. Oops, I have to hold on to this one. Yeah, you have to be patient with the glue and also be careful because it's hot. Careful not to touch it. So just apply some pressure until the glue hardens and the stick will be good and sturdy on the cardboard. And then now I'm gonna put this other piece on top, and there you go. Sorry, I'm just using one hand, the other hand is recording. And then I'm gonna use my trusted glue gun again, and then put them all together. Okay, so this is now what our project looks like with all the sticks, plastic sticks glued on the corners, on all four corners. Okay, so the next step, I'm gonna cover this with a cardboard. What's inside?
Candies!
Candies! Okay, so for the next step, I'm just gonna mention that these materials, I was lucky. My husband bought a bicycle, a mountain bike online, and they packaged it together with this kind of cardboard inside to protect the bike during shipment. So I'm actually recycling or reusing all of those cardboard, the big cardboard. This is the one I cut, and then the inside, which is lined with this one, is also what I'm gonna use to line here. So as what I've said, if you cannot, this is harder to find, I think. I don't know if we can find this at Home Depot. I know we can find big cardboards at Home Depot or Walmart or Lowe's, but if you can find one like this, you can DIY, just cut it with a cutter so that you can make it more movable like that. So I'm gonna start now. Okay, now so I cut a strip like so, and then I'm gonna put it here on the side with a glue gun, and I would probably also put a clear tape so that to make it hold even better, make it more sturdier. So I'll show it to you later. Make it, bend it over here like that, and then also here. So I'll be back. I'll show it to you later. So here it is, covered on all sides with this nice bamboo cardboard. It contoured on all of the arrows and curves. So this is the top, the sides. I have to put this over and then overlap, but it's okay. It's fully covered. It's safe. No candies will spill out of that. And then this is the bottom. This is also overlapped. Okay. And it will look like this. This will be the top portion and the bottom one. So here I made a little opening right here to put all the candies. There's a little opening there, so I need to put all the candies. Okay, so now comes the fun part and my most favorite part, the decorating. I'm gonna decorate it with this nice colorful papers. And I have here some strips that I already cut and prepared. So now I'm just gonna glue it here. I'm gonna use good old Elmer's glue and then glue it like so. It will have, looks like it will have ruffles like that. Okay, sorry it's hard for me because I'm only using one hand. But the idea is like covering it like that and then maybe alternate with purple. So I'll show you the finished product later. Okay, so this is the decorated part. Some of the crepe paper got folded. I just need to fix it later. Like that. So I'm going to show you the other part. I have to cover the sides too. Oops. Okay. So here it is. We're going to put Elmer's glue like that. And then, okay, so now we're going to put the crepe paper underneath like this. And then I'm gonna just do it. And then we'll continue it all the way to the end. And then after this, I'm gonna the whole thing with the crepe paper like that, and then put a white string here so that it will be ready to be hanged. So it looks like that. Okay guys, so I'm going to use this white rope and I'm gonna tie it up here, and then so that it will hang later, and then I will cover this last part, crepe paper, and yeah, It will basically look like this. Okay, so I tied it like so, like this. Simple tie, but it's sure that it's secure. Then I'm gonna cover this with grid paper. I'm waiting for my sister for the other candies to come. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look. And then I'll have extra rope for this to hang later if you want it higher, but this is it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like my little DIY project. Oh, for the finishing touches, I added a little golden star on the side. It's also used, I got it from an old Christmas wrapper, golden Christmas wrapper. And if you have golden glitter paper around your house, you can also use it too, or other colorful craft papers. So you can put a shell also there. So this is the final mermaid tail piñata. Hope you enjoyed my DIY. I still have to finish that when we add, after we add the other chocolates and candies. So hope you enjoyed my channel. Please like and subscribe, and put in the comment what other birthday themes and piñatas that you want me to do. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you'll make your own little DIY piñata also for your kids' birthday and make it fun and affordable. Till next time, bye!